Look at you.
Hi, baby, welcome.
Welcome back home. Look at you.
You're so fine.
Hello, brother.
Yeah. Good to see you, Mom.
How are you? Oh, look at you.
All growing. Good to see you.
Yeah, you're...
People of Aloma Kingdom, here comes our princes, sons of Igwekala. You are welcome. Lolo, we must commend you for taking good care of them. May the gods keep you. Obichukwu, come. Here are the first-class chiefs of Aloma Kingdom. They represent the villages that make up Aloma. Here is Ibekwe, your father's right-hand man.
You're welcome. One love, man. Here, one love.
Nnaji,
Your exact replica of your late father, Igwekala.
You're welcome.
Ome,
You're welcome. One love.
Ayoko.
We are very happy to witness your arrival.
It saddens my heart that our late king, Igwekala, is not alive to see you grow into men. All the same, go in and freshen up. When you are done, we will take you around the palace and the kingdom.
Thank you very much. Well, I'm highly flabbergasted by the warm, wonderful reception. And thank you very much. That was dope, man. Thanks.
Ahora Kaduna yo, ahora Kaduna yo, oye, 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 oh no, they have arrived. Intelligent, witty, and wise like your father.
Thanks to the gods for bringing them home in good health.
Later, after resting, we will bring them so they will see you and know the king regent.
I will be waiting.
Awara Kaduna yo, awara Kaduna ya koje,
Was that not the Ezamo?
The princes have arrived.
I want to talk to both of you.
I don't trust the men in this kingdom ever since your father died. So I beg you, never to give them access to yourselves. If we have secrets, we can share it among ourselves. Okay? Please.
Mom, we are not kids. We will always be careful in whatever we do.
Thank you.
Exactly, Mom. We will always watch out for the wolves in sheep clothing. We got your back.
Now both of you gave me confidence. Let's eat. We have a lot to talk about.
Back home once again. Talking about food. Just doing that.
My lord, are you going to think about this all day?
Soon, I will hand over, and the respect and joy that comes with kingship will live with them till I die.
And that'll be the right thing to do. They'll be glad if you do. I'll be so proud of you. Because you have ruled this kingdom wisely for 30 years. Let me get you something to eat. Please.
Don't feel like it's wrong, bro. I told you, man. I got this game.
Life is beautiful.
I got this
When I remember my papa legacy, I'm home.
Okay.
I'm home. It's good to be home. This life is beautiful.
Yeah.
When
No,
I
Papa,
remember my
Mama,
father's
Papa,
legacy,
yeah.
I'm home. Child. It's good to be home.
Don't break the glass. I'm not breaking the glass.
My sweet home.
Wow! That was close. That was close. Pound. Yeah. Oh. What's going on? Yeah, what's going on? Yeah, okay. Damn. What's going on, man?
Life is sweet.
I go for the last one.
But sweet family.
Bro, alright.
Life is sweet.
Now watch. I don't say anything breaking that.
When there is peace and joy,
Play one more.
it's bring togetherness.
What is it? Akata. Tell him I'm coming. Alright. Okay, let's see what you got. Damn, that was fun. What's going on? I'm not waiting for the voice. I'm waiting for that voice. Play this with time. No, the main thing is going inside the hole. Look at it. Come look at it. Oh my damn, man. No, the main thing is inside the hole, which I did it.
More of that. Well, gladden my heart. Who among you is the eldest?
Oh no. Judging with your inner eyes, who do you think is the first son?
I think he is.
There you go wrong. You did not use your spiritual eyes to teach who here is the first son. Oh no. Can we please see briefly the ritual? Let's go. We're going home for who's the ritual? Let's go. Izuna, you wait. Which we should follow us. Right.
So I must confess, this is actually nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's a nice life.
Well, are you?
Now that they have arrived, oh no, when do you think you can hand over the staff of office to me?
One does not hold back the eyelid from blinking for too long. What belongs to him belongs to him. Whenever he's ready, I will be ready.
You have spoken well. Obi, when do you want it?
Well, I have to talk to my mom and bro before getting back to my life.
You say so. We'll be waiting.
Excuse me.
So, let me break it down one by one.
Please, can I call my brother?
Of course, whatever you want.
Which way? Call his number for me. I'll do that.
This life is beautiful. When I remember my
Your late father was such a wonderful
I'm home. I'm home. It's good to be
Every kingdom
This life is
craves to
beautiful.
have
When I
the
remember
kind of man your late father was as a king.
I'm home. It's good to be home.
He was a blessing to this kingdom.
My sweetheart, get this in the mood. Mama, we are home.
Izu,
My
we
sweetheart,
have something to tell us.
get this in the mood.
Once again, I welcome you to this kingdom. Yeah. Before your father died, he left some documents under my care. The first of them deals with some acres of land close to the airport. That's the document.
When there is peace and joy, it brings togetherness. And you can one and you can
Yeah, that's the second one. That one deals with the bottling company in Asaba. And finally, this one deals with his large fish farm.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very, very much. I really appreciate this.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mazibe.
You're always welcome.
Our God will bless you. And we will also bless you too.
Amen. One more thing. Your late father had a poultry farm which he left under the control of Onowu.
Onowu?
Yes, Onowu. You can get across to him. Let him show you where it is.
Mazibe, you are indeed a real man.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for this my time.
To be honest, I didn't know people like you still exist. You are a very good man.
You flatter me.
These are the files of the documents.
Yes. Let's toast to this.
Okay.
Cheers.
Yeah. Prosperity.
This life is beautiful. When I remember my papa legacy, I'm home. I'm home. It's good to be home. This life is beautiful. When I remember my father's legacy, now I'm home. It's good to be home. Oh, 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 oh. My sweetheart. Get this in the mood. Mama, we at home. Oh, 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 oh. My sweetheart. Get this in the mood. Mama, we at home. Life is sweet, but with family, life is sweeter, yeah. When there is peace and joy, each brings togetherness. Oh, and you gonna want and you gonna Obani meruwa, anya putu wakudega, anyi gane wangulia, anyi gane liolilia. Obani meruwa, anya putu wakudega, anyi gane wangulia, anyi gane liolilia. Obani meruwa, anya putu wakudega. Anyigane wangulia, anyigane liolilia. Obani meruwa, anyaputu wakudega. This life is beautiful. When I remember my papa legacy, I'm home. I'm home. It's good to be home. This life is beautiful. When I remember my father's legacy, now I'm home. It's good to be home. Oh, 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 oh. My sweetheart. Get this in the mood. Mama, we at home. Oh, oh,
we said, you have to start thinking about settling down, bringing that queen who will run this kingdom without clash.
Yes, marriage. I have that in mind, but I'm just trying to be careful. Forever is too long to spend with a stranger.
Come on, Obichukwu. I mean, of all these girls you have, all these your friends, I mean, you can make choice from one of them. Because today is that D-Day, we must talk about this and sort it out finally, okay? I've got time for this now. So we are starting from top. All right, take a look at this. Quincy. Quincy is a beautiful girl who I think entices you effortlessly. You can't say no to this.
Quincy has ego problem. She can't be loyal. Any woman that challenges a man is not a wife material. I mean, you can pass your message without challenging. She's always, I'm educated, you know. Come on. My inner peace is not negotiable, man.
Okay. Here we go. Amanda. Amanda got courage of a queen, if you ask me.
Yes, but Amanda hardly concentrates. She's always online. Look at what this one said to that one. Look at what that one said to that one. Look at what this one wrote. Oh, Zara, Gucci, Louis Vuitton. That's not why we're here.
Well, I thought you like people that dresses fine. I mean...
Yes, you need to look good, but that shouldn't be your priority number one. There's more to it. We're talking about marriage, not dating, bro.
Okay, fine. Amanda's cousin, Ngozi.
Ha! Out of it. Lazy. She can't cook. She hardly moves. She loves chilling, hotel life. 803, give me rice and chicken. 803, give me... No, that's not a wife material, bro.
Come on, I mean, you don't expect a future queen of this kingdom to be cooking. We have cooks here who can make food for us.
We are Africans, so Africa. My wife should know how to cook. Yes, we have cooks, fine and good, but my wife should know how to cook.
Obichukwu, you can't be saying no to all these girls, man. Stop saying no to everyone. Okay, fine. Bella. Let me look for Bella's picture.
Bella is out of it.
Bella
is carried away with the dramas on social media. Zara, this one said that, this one said, come on.
But I thought you're crazy about people that dresses fine. I mean, back in the States, you love Cinderella because she's got nice dresses.
Yeah, I love it when you dress fine and look fly, but that's not why we are here. That shouldn't be your priority number one. To crown it all, Bella is addicted to sex.
Bella?
Yes. Now, all to Ega Hashibella. Age Ega Hashibella. Night Ega Hashibella. Now, say that you are tired, she will be angry. So I can't cope. I can't come and kill myself. I'm not a sex machine.
No. To be honest, if that's a problem, my brother, no. I wouldn't want to lose you before your time. Okay, here we go. Sonia. Sonia is a first-class medical student. I mean, Sonia is the right one for this kingdom. She's got respect for elders. She's got everything you need to defeat a queen. You can't obviously say no to her.
Listen, the truth is, forever, like forever, is too long to spend with one person.
Are you trying to tell me you're saying no to Sonia?
I will wake up every morning to see this face for the rest of my life. I easily get tired of people. Forget her beauty, forget her qualifications, forget her educational background. That's not the point. We're talking about marriage.
But we're also talking about respect to this kingdom, someone that can move this kingdom forward, someone that has that courage.
Sonia, instead of Sonia, I'll go for Amanda. Forget Sonia.
Sonia?
Come on, I know this girl more than you do. This girl, so I know her more than you do. She is not a wife material.
Obichukwu, we are going for Sonia. Sonia is the right one for this kingdom. You can't be saying no to everyone.
Instead of Sonia, I would go for Amanda.
The same Amanda
Yeah, Amanda is more natural. I can manage Amanda, but Sonia is out of it.
I'm going to show Mom this image, and bear in mind you're going for Sonia. You can't say no to Sonia. You can't keep saying no, no, no to everyone. No one is perfect. Sonia at least is manageable. She's good.
Are you serious?
Let me meet Mom inside.
Okay. You want to meet Mom, eh? Since Mom is now the Inspector General of Police, I'm going to...
Yes.
Oh, hi. You need to see this.
Excuse us there.
You need to see this. Hi. Take a look at these two pictures. All right? Sorry to take your time. This is Amanda, and this is...
I know her.
Oh, you know her?
I know her. Is she not the daughter of Barrister Lizzie?
Exactly. You see, Obi said Amanda is much more preferable, but I think Sonia will make a very good wife for this king. That's what we've been nagging about.
Honestly, I'll go for Sonia. You ask me?
Good stuff. Sonia makes it all. For me, Sonia makes it all.
People are gossiping and know.
See, I was trying to show Mom exactly what we were talking about. So, Mom, what do you think?
Hello, Mom. You are not supposed to judge a woman by her facial beauty. Marriage goes beyond that.
Can I say something to both of you?
I'm all ears.
Sonia will make a beautiful wife. And trust me when I say, she will be a good queen.
Listen, you need to judge beyond beauty.
What are you saying? You can't compare Sonia to Amanda. Sonia got class. That's what we need.
No. Yes. Oh, because she's beautiful. My point is, you're not supposed to judge a woman by her beauty. You're not marrying class. You're marrying a woman.
Get her from her bed first. Because I said that to you.
It's our bed.
It's not your bed. This is a royal bed.
It's our family bed.
Oh God, that's why Sonia should be your wife. They put you in order for once.
So we are going for Sonia.
No. Marriage goes beyond beauty.
You made it look like I wasn't going to tell them about the poultry farm. I know Bichuku came here talking to me as if I was his manager.
Why are you raving over this? What offense have I committed by telling them about the poultry farm?
You made it look like I was not going to tell them about it. I am the one in possession of the property, and I tell them when I like.
No way. That is where you are wrong. You don't tell them when you feel like telling them. You tell them at the right time. And the right time to tell them is now.
I deserve an apology for this action.
My apology has gone with the last flood. So I do not have any apology to offer you, especially when I know I have done the right thing.
Now get out of my house.
I do not come here with a mat. Do not forget to get the documents ready for the princess.
I say get out of my house!
That's the gate.
Would you want go and get her something to drink? Sonia, you still look so beautiful. Look at you.
Thank you very much, Mother. Thank you.
You've grown. What have you been eating?
Mother, nothing, and I hope you're not flattering me.
No. You look so... How are your parents?
They are fine. They send your regards.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay, make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, Mom. Mom, where is Obi?
I know you will ask. Don't worry, when to see the chief priest, he will soon be back. Okay? Where is this? Uju!
Thank you, Mother. So how have you been?
There's a more. We have seen all our father's property in and outside this kingdom. Yes.
And what about marriage?
There's a more. Step by step, you will jump.
That's what it is.
Marriage is still on the pipeline.
Very well then. All you need do is just go. Finish it. Obichuku, Mwigwekala, it is very, very important that you do that. Then you will now come back for confirmation and coronation will follow. Eh?
Alright, there's a more. I've heard you.
Okay, can you just tell me what the surprise is all about already?
Okay. Here we go. Here we go.
It's good to be home. This life is beautiful. When I remember my father's legacy now, I'm home.
Yes. Yes, I will. Yes, I will marry you.
I love you, baby.
I love you too. I love you so much.
We at home. My sweetheart.
Here we go.
We at home.
Already stop.
Life is sweet, but sweet family. Life is sweet.
I love.
When you
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God.
it's bring together.
Alright, here we go. Let's cut it.
Okay.
Alright, I will spell love and we'll cut the cake. L O V E.
Obichuku, my brother. I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
I told you that Sonia was a good girl. How many girls can cook this kind of meal?
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, be serious now.
Alright, let's go for real. For real.
Mom, tell him to stop.
Alright, on a serious note.
Are you sure?
Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome, darling.
Swear down, Mom. This food is everything.
Thank you. I'm really glad you all like it.
Obichukwu, you're just a lucky dude.
Bro, I was born ready.
Mama, we at home. My sweetheart, get the cinema. Mama, we at home.
My daughter, I'm so much happy for you.
Thank you, Mom. And Dad, they said they will be coming next week to see you.
Wait for them now.
Yes, that reminds me. I put something on the fire.
It's bring togetherness. And you can name one, and you can name
I like this, yeah, I like it. Nice one. Ichie.
Yes.
Quick one here. My woman has agreed to marry me. Yes. So I want to go and see her people next week for proper introduction. I want you to follow me.
Give me a handshake. Give me a handshake. That's very good.
Yes, sir.
Obishuku, our people say that it is not gluttony when a child decides to taste the type of nuts his mates eat.
That means ni fenwoke luloge aburosa.
Exactly. I will gladly go with you.
Thank you very much. Yes. Thank you very much. I need to roll now because I will stop over at my maternal home.
Well, that's all right. That's all right. I know that you young men of these days, your blood is always hot. Please drive carefully.
No, show it.
Well, before then, thank you very much. Please do. It's my friend.
My prince, I do not understand what you are talking about.
Oh, you don't understand? Okay, I believe you should be old age or something. All right, I will start again. You see, my other brother, Chuku, sent me to come get the documents of the land that Uno. And you see, he couldn't come because he's preparing for his marriage rites. So he sent me to come get it.
Exactly. Oh, Bichuku sent you to me as the heir to the throne? I do not have anything to do with someone who is neither the first nor the heir to the throne.
What are you talking about? With all due respect, Ono, I'm also a prince. I'm also the son of Igwekala.
That you are the son of a king doesn't make you a king. One doesn't drink from the horn of Atu if he doesn't know what it signifies.
Please, with all due respect, my prince, excuse me. I have something. So you mean I should go? I think Obi is disturbing this now.
Why is your face like this?
Obichuku, you know, if there's only one thing I dislike in this world, is someone insulting my integrity. I can't stand it.
What happened?
I went to Onowu's house as you instructed concerning the poultry document. And Onowu insulted me. He practically walked out on me telling me that I'm not royalty. Can you imagine?
You should have told him I sent you.
Of course I did. I mean, am I supposed to tell him countless times? Is it supposed to be a problem to give us the poultry document?
Are you trying to say Onowu disobeyed me? Was he drunk? Okay.
Your Highness, greetings. Your Highness, why are you looking like this?
I am not happy with the Onowu. Oh. I sent Izuna to get the poultry document from him, and he bluntly refused. Oh. I hate it when you disobey me, no matter who you are.
Your Highness, calm down. I will advise you speak with cool voice when you get there. I'm certain he will release it to you. Besides, two men cannot be mad at the same time.
I'm not scared of mad people.
I couldn't be so stupid to insult his woman. I only told him that matters of the throne should be left for people of the throne. You are the next king. Whatever we discuss in my house is between us.
All right. So where is the document?
I will hand them over to you before you leave. But let us discuss important matters. When do you want the handover to be?
After my marriage.
All right. Give me 1 minute.
You know he invited me to his house, shouted at me and ordered me out. Simply because I told Obishuku and Izuna about their father's poultry farm in his possession.
Was he thinking he would keep the poultry farm forever? I don't see anything wrong with you telling Igwe Kala's son about their poultry farm.
Oh.
Yes. And he asking you, Ibekwe, out of the house was silly. Very silly.
Do you think his action bothered me? Not at all. If I, Ichie Ibekwe, must be scared of an animal with horns, certainly not the snail.
You see, I'm beginning to be skeptical about his recent behavior to everyone.
Do you blame the snuff farmer when he frowns and the rain coming? Huh? It is because he knows what is imminent.
What I'm eagerly waiting for is the coronation and the confirmation.
Yeah, it will soon come.
Ibekwe.
Huh?
This eternal taste very, very.
It is wonderful.
Never. You are welcome once again to my house.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Barrister. I am so glad I'm meeting you at home and not in the lockup. So let me go straight to the point. While on the road, we saw a beautiful bird. So we went after the bird, but it flew up and perched on a tree at the front of your house. So when we got closer, the bird flew up again and straight into your house. So we have come for the bird, your barrister.
That must be a wonderful bird.
Oh yes, it's a wonderful bird.
A golden bird.
Yes.
Anyway, a bangle one on the wrist does not need a mirror to check how I feel in hand. That is true. I believe I know where I'm going. Let me check if I can see the bird.
Was taking a while. It means confirmation and handing over his name. Bring him to the shrine on Uncle Day. I will bring him. I will be waiting, and the gods are waiting too. Let's begin. Obichuku, kneel down and stretch forth your hands. Ojobo will present to you Obichuku, the son of Igwekala, heir to the throne of Aloma. Let your four appear in the hands of Obichuku to confirm that he is the next king. Ojobo, Buko, show us a sign that Obichuku is the chosen one.
What is going on?
The shell we wish to sharpen is not the real one.
What? How can the first son of Igwekala not be the chosen one?
The gods are wise.
Finally, the king is coming in. Our kingdom will have rest.
Gaga no Gu, the only king of Alom. Etunam.
Obi, what is it?
Those elders are drug addicts. Fools! They came up with magic, but trust me, it will not work.
What kind of magic?
Obi, calm down.
No, don't tell me to calm down. You won't believe this. After all said and done, after all their drama, Akata looked me eyeball to eyeball and said, I am not the chosen one.
What? How?
Obi.
I still cannot place my hand on why he was rejected. You needed to see the disappointment on his face.
Don't you see this is going to be so blissful for us? That means you're still going to be the king, while the search for the next successor to the throne. Meanwhile, you'll still be in charge of some government contracts and deals. This is good news.
Get me something chilled to drink.
Excuse me?
Yeah, I've been looking. Just sit down. How did it go?
The gods rejected me.
What? Wait, I don't get this. How can the gods reject the first son of the king? That is not even possible. Don't you think these people are up to something?
I smell conspiracy. They want to take away the throne.
That is not even possible. I mean, not after all the money we spent on those expensive clothes and jewelries. Listen, honey. You have to investigate this properly. I mean, you have to dig deep, find out those behind this, and get them arrested.
Still awake?
I can't sleep. Sleep is off my eyes.
Something here, Mom. I'm also very restless. I can't sleep either.
I have been thinking.
Mom.
Yes.
Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead, son. What is it?
Do you know if Father had a son with another woman outside his kingdom that we don't know of?
No. No. Son, your father was a very responsible man. I can vouch to that. Okay?
So why is Obichukwu not choosing? I mean, why?
That I do not have any answer to. Honestly, I don't.
Let me give you a wise counsel and a little secret. There are two people in this town. Two types of people. The ones that appear to you as friends, they are actually your enemies. And the ones you see as foes, but they mean the best for you.
I wish I knew all this before now.
It is still...
Now I can see the handwriting.
It is still not too late.
What do I do?
Rebel. Do not accept their stance.
But they said the gods are responsible for that.
Are you going to accept that? Now ask yourself this question. How can the son, the first son of a king, be rejected at the succession? Where is it done? Someone, somewhere, is responsible for this. Do not accept their stance. Do not. Honestly, Ichie, I'm short of words. I mean, it's still like a shock to all of us. Is it possible?
Well, I've never heard it anywhere before. But let us wait and hear what the gods have to say. This is the time for you and your brother to stay together like a bunch of broom so that he does not act out of anger.
Yeah, of course. We will always live in peace. It's alright, I will be on my way. Thank you very much.
I want to know what happened at the shrine. Obichuku, my son, came back and told me that the gods rejected him. The impossible is about to happen.
My queen, we are as confused as you are. And we have been asking ourselves many questions. Are the gods up to something? Is something wrong somewhere? Are the gods making a big mistake?
My queen, the silence of the owl does not mean it is dumb. We will converge again and ask Akata to consult the gods to know how the water got into the vessel of the melon. I'm sure the gods must have an answer to this. Yes.
Okay. I'll be waiting.
Chukwu okike, ekele m gị. Nke a bụ ọjị. Asị m, ife ga-eri anyị ya bịa na, mana ife anyị ga-eri ya bịa n'ọnụ anyị. This is Kola. What we eat us, let it be far from us. But what we will eat, let it come to us. Obichuku, is today too awful that it has taken away pleasant from your mouth?
Ezemo, I am not in the mood.
Very well then. Let us go inside.
I am angry, Ezemo, and I can be very, very dangerous when I'm angry.
Obichuku, anger leads to destruction.
I wish I can see the gods, but since you are their eyes, take this message to them. Denying me their form will make me destroy their existence. No one will take what rightfully belongs to me.
Obichuku, watch your tongue. Watch your tongue. For a child who follows the good step of his father will never meet obstacle. Be careful not to incur the wrath of the gods. They will tell us what to do.
The only constant thing in life is change. My father's generation will never be the same with mine. Ezemo, I hate repeating myself. I swear by my tears, I will destroy anything that stands on my way.
Obichuku. Careful. Careful.
Eye of the gods, please tell us, is there anything the gods are hiding from us? We have been in the dark.
Huh? Listen, Mom. Tell us what we need to know. Because we can't just keep silent. You know something strange happened to us. Eh? Please, we need to hear from you. To know the next line of action.
The gods are greatly concerned about the throne.
And we, the subjects, are also concerned about the throne. Ezemo, we need to know what is going on.
We will all converge at the shrine. With the 3 first seers of the first 3 villages of Aloma to see what the gods will have to say.
So, to mortals, that which is far from us.
Listen. I hate drama. What's your point? What's your message? Is this why we are here? Straight to the point, my friend.
The gods were never wrong.
Meaning?
You heard me.
Listen, I can be very dangerous when I'm angry. What is your message? Point!
The gods warned me never to lay a curse on you. My mouth does not spare anyone, not even royal bloods.
Mugu. Big one, Nuku Mugu. You are just a fool. Compound fool. Jobless idiot. You are a blind seer. In fact, you are fired. Next. Point? What's your point?
I can see clearly.
What are you saying?
Thank you. Dalono. I did not see Obichuku sitting on the throne of Aloma Kingdom.
Another Mugu. A big one at that. You are a blind seer. In fact, you get out. One here. I'm losing it. Why are you so?
Calm down.
Fools!
Calm down.
Annoying fools!
Calm down.
Oga, continue.
Oh, Gidiago. Oof. What Tara is a Tara.
Point! What's your point?
Obishuku is not the chosen one. Even in bed, the gods knew it.
Another annoying idiot. Oga?
The gods are wise.
Oga, get out. Why here? I'm losing it. What?
The gods are wise. Hold your peace. Hold your peace.
Leave me alone.
It's alright.
Leave me alone.
It's alright.
The gods are wise. Hold your peace.
Oh!
It's alright.
The thunder that will fire you.
It's alright.
You come from hell.
It's alright.
Animal.
It is okay. Obishuku is alright.
Mugu.
It's alright.
Mugu. But annoying one at that. Mugu.
It's alright.
Leave me alone, Abada. Leave me alone.
It's okay.
Big native doctor. Leave me alone.
It's alright.
Okay. I wish I could see the gods.
Akata,
Akata, what next?
What? I hate this drama now. Straight to the point, I love you. Straight to the point.
Ojobo the Great, the time for truth is here. Show us how it started. For yourself.
My dear. Don't worry, the driver outside to take your people to the hospital. The gods will be with you. Okay, don't worry about anything. The doctor is waiting. You can go, dear. Yes.
Let's go.
Push my queen.
Push! Push!
My queen.
Push! Push! Madam, help yourself. The baby is coming.
Queen, push, okay?
Push!
My queen,
Help your baby.
take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, okay? Okay, now just push. Push.
Push! Push! Push!
My queen, you're almost there. You're almost there. Just push, okay? You can do it. You're almost there.
Push! Push!
Congratulations, my queen.
Doctor, how is the queen mother?
She just gave birth to a bouncing baby.
Oh, thank you, thank you. I need to deliver this message. Thank you very much.
Throw that to the speed of light, okay?
Okay.
What about the patients in the farm?
Yeah, doctor, I'm processing the abuse.
Please make sure the patient is okay.
This shouldn't happen now. Where do I find a mechanic? Eh?
When the car broke down, Amade couldn't report the birth of Izuna. Norma delivered. See it here.
Push, push, push. Push. Push, push, push. Push.
Yeah, the baby's coming. Just one more time, one more time. Push, push.
Madam, take a deep breath. A deep breath. Now push.
Your Highness, the Queen has delivered the bouncing baby.
gods are wise.
Yes, the gods are wise.
We all saw that. I believe it is clear why the gods rejected Obichukwu. He is not the first son of Igwekala.
Now it's obvious. Nina Bogu. Yes. Nina Bogu. Do you know I can end your diabolic life here and now? Do you know? I hate you. Drug addict! You're all a drug addict! Oh!
I could have sworn against this revelation.
It baffles me too. This can cause a problem in the palace. Huh?
The gods will not allow it to happen.
It's
hey! It's a serious problem.
Hey, what?
I cannot believe this. Your people are so mean. Do they expect you to believe that? Ha! Anyway, I know what to do.
Hello, Pastor Frank. Please, can I see you in the palace? Yes. No, everything is fine. Thank you very much. Okay, we'll be waiting. Okay, I'll be waiting. Thank you.
Hey!
Dear friends, as I was looking at you, the Lord revealed to me that your elder brother needs a serious prayer against the enemy.
I am the first son and the heir to the throne. But my enemies want to take it away from me.
Listen, man of God. The men of this kingdom are very wicked and manipulative. They are trying to take the kingship away from the rightful owner, my husband.
My prince, I do not see the crown on your head. The Lord said I should tell you to accept whatever comes your way. Ask your faith.
Where did you get this man from? I thought you said he's a man of God.
Yes, my husband,
Oga, get on.
My prince.
Oga, I can be very dangerous when I'm angry. Get out.
Thank you.
It was clear to us that Obichukwu is not the first son of Igwekala.
But he kept ranting and calling it magic.
Yes. I will consult Akata to know the next thing to do.
Obima, if I were you, I wouldn't bother myself until they're ready.
You are right. He's very correct. You have to keep cool and watch until you were asked to bring Izuna to the shrine for confirmation.
Who is my real mom?
What kind of stupid question is that?
You heard me loud and clear. Who is my real mom? I am not in the mood to sit. I just asked a simple question. Who is my real mom?
Obichukwu, son of Igwekala, what are you doing at the back of my house?
Ezemo, I am here to find out who paid you and how much he paid you to destroy Igwekala's dynasty.
That is an insult, and I will not take it.
Ezemo, name your price or how much they paid you. I am ready to double it.
Akata cannot be bought or influenced to soil my hands with evil.
That means you've not seen good money. Listen, I can demolish that your house and erect a befitting mansion for you within few months. Look at you. You look older than your age because you are suffering. I can change your life. I can take you abroad. In fact, I can make you the first Ezemo on Instagram and Facebook. People will follow you. For the very last time, Ezemo, name your price. I am ready to double it.
Obichukwu, son of Igwekala, leave my compound now before you incur the wrath of the gods.
Ezemo Imanjo Chajoga Oye Jobu
I have a message for the house of Igwekala. On Nkwo Day, Izuna is needed at the shrine for confirmation.
I know you have made up your mind to go for the confirmation. If you do, you will become my enemy number one. And I will fight you with the last drop of my blood.
Why are you sounding like this? I didn't bring this upon myself. The gods did. I'm equally surprised.
Izuna, I can be very, very dangerous when I'm angry, and I hate repeating myself. I have given you my word, and my word is irrevocable.
Obi, I need to talk to you.
I'm all ears.
Your father and I married for 9 years without issue. So we both decided that he should get another woman. And your father married Norma. Few months later, we both took in at the same time. But at the time of delivery, Norma was sent to her village to have her child, while I had mine here in our town. We both had our child the same day. But what I don't know is if I had mine before hers, or she had hers before mine. few hours later, we received a message that Norma died after delivery because of excessive bleeding.
Even at that, my father was supposed to know who delivered first.
Obi, your father was forbidden from seeing you because Obunabali kills even a potential king.
What is Obunabali?
Obunabali is an ancient deity that kills anyone seen a threat to the throne. He kills even the king's blood.
Your message is clear. You are not my mom, and that's why you want to take what rightfully belongs to me. You think I don't know? You want your son to become the king, but over my dead body will that happen?
Obi!
Oh yes, you heard me loud and clear.
No, don't.
I never thought of that. I could never think of such thing over a child I watched grow from the beginning, over a child I called my son, over a child I breastfed with my own breast. Obi!
So why didn't you tell me from onset that you are not my mom? Why? You waited for this time so you could show how wicked, selfish, and self-centered you are.
Will you shut up?
No, I won't.
Shut up!
I won't.
Obichuku, please. I sincerely understand how you feel. But you have to watch the way you talk to our mother. Boys don't talk when men talk. So shut up. Shut up. Are you mad?
No, you are mad.
Obi!
Don't Obi me.
Obi!
Don't Obi me.
Mom, stop.
You want to take what rightfully belongs to me. You want your son to become king, but over my dead body, will that happen?
Obi!
Yes!
No, Mom, Obichuku, listen. I won't watch to see you insult our mother.
Obi, listen to me. Two men cannot be mad at the same time. You don't have to show them your person until the right time comes. Let's go.
Oyibo, Eba, Amambai.
It's okay, son. It's okay, sit down. It's okay.
My love, listen to me. It is very clear that I am the only one right behind you in this palace. You see that woman and her son? They cannot be trusted. I mean, they planned this from the beginning. Soon Izuna will become the king. And you, my lovely husband, will be his subjects. Open your eyes.
Over my dead body will that happen. Only a foolish cat will challenge a tiger just because they look alike. Oyibo, Eba Amambai.
That is the spirit. That is my husband talking.
this going to break the bond I have with my only brother? I see all of this lingering too far.
Izuna, the right thing must be done. You cannot run away from it. Make up your mind and go for the confirmation as the gods have instructed.
Izuna, come, kneel down and stretch forth your hands. Ojobo, show us a sign that Izuna is the first son of Igwekala. Let your four appear in his hands. Yes. Yes.
Kwenu. Kwenu. Kwenu.
Izuna, stand up. Elders of Aloma, I present to you the chosen one, the next king of Aloma Kingdom.
Igwe. Congratulations, Izuna.
Congrats.
Your Majesty, can I have a word with you? Congratulations, Your Majesty. You know the next step. You need to have a queen beside you during your coronation.
I understand perfectly well, J.B. Thank you.
Once again, congratulations. Igwe.
Igadi.
Ise.
I did not go to the shrine because I cannot be part of that conspiracy. See, when you were born, news came to the palace. And your father, Igwe Kala, gave me the royal bangle.
Oh no. Any news from Machi?
Yes. She has just delivered a baby boy also, my king.
Wow. The gods indeed have blessed me. They have indeed remembered me.
Your Highness, there's a merriment going on in every bar in Aloma. And everybody is happy about this. Yes.
Oh no.
My king.
My first son should be called Obichuku. And the second one is Naya. Get me the bracelet from the royal.
Yes, Your Highness. Your Highness.
You can go. Oh no.
Yes,
take
my
this.
king.
Put it on his wrist. This royal bracelet is the ancient mark of the heir of the throne of Aloma. The gods of our ancestors will be with him.
You say...
Go well. My regards to them.
Our joy could not even last for a moment.
Lolo, stop crying again. The gods are wise. You can feel your pain. I know how you feel.
But my heart is broken.
I know. No, Lolo. Stop crying. Where are the children? This way I can see them.
Children are in the nursery. They are cleaning them up.
Yes, she is not your mother, but you are the first son.
Had it been I knew all this water wouldn't have gotten to my ankle without me knowing.
The blood of your father runs in your veins. He was a man of wisdom and resilience. I want you to be like your father. Fight for what is rightfully yours. I knew that Machi never liked your mother, and I can swear by Ojubu that she has a hand in her death. That was why she hid your maternity from you.
An enemy somewhere is behind this. Who was my father's enemy? I heard he died mysteriously.
Yes, he died from the shock of the news of your mother's death.
You are not saying anything. Ibekwe. Oh no.
One of the pyramids are broken and we are all refurbished.
Come out straight, oh no.
Your Highness, the Yoruba bird says his tongue and heart are heavy, but it will not stop him from singing from the funeral of his mother.
Oh no. It is the song of the frog that the antelope says is bad, yet he dances to it.
Your Highness, sometimes it is not only the dance of antelope that is terrible, but its legs are also terrible too.
Ibekwe, am I here to look at your gloomy faces and banter proverbs? Let the tongue bite on the palate.
My king, we have the end of Inama, and she has traded on the passage of no return.
Did I hear you well?
My king, I cannot utter a word, and it is.
My king, what's wrong with my king?
Flash off. Come back. Oh no. It is time.
Yes, honey. Where are you? My love, you have to come home now. Your brother has been chosen. Yes. Listen to me. He is here celebrating with his mother. They have been jubilating since. You have to come back now. My love, I am telling you, I am serious. He is even planning to take a new wife. We cannot let this happen. We can't let it happen. Okay. Just make it fast.
Oh, this is nice. The gods are wise.
Indeed they are. You're wise.
I'm so happy. Then the next thing you should do now is to get me a wife.
Of course, Mom, I'm thinking about that. I mean, that's the tradition of our land.
Yes. And give me grandchildren.
Of course, I will.
Another chase again.
Obi Chooks.
What is the excitement all about?
Please come and have a seat. Let me break the good news to you.
Straight to the point.
Okay. You see, after going to the shrine and after all their incantations, I was surprised. The Orphan appeared. So I think it's a thing of joy that finally the kingship won't leave our dynasty, and
that's what you are. Mugo.
Mugo.
So what happens to hello bro? The Orphan finally appeared. Come, let's celebrate.
Come on, Obichuku, don't be rude.
Boys don't talk when men are talking.
Come on, Obi.
Don't obey me. You never deemed it fit to call me. You are celebrating without my consent.
Obichuku, I just said I came to inform you and you weren't inside. Don't you listen?
Oyibo, Eba, Amambai. Oyibo, Eba, Amambai.
Obichuku, you just have to be. Let's come over him. Obichuku. Obichuku. Come on, Mom. What has come over him? He's calling me Mugu.
The items. They are all yours. It is my own way of saying Ojo for Ghana. You eat them alone.
Thank you very much, Chichi.
Ichie, I never knew this bleached, confused man is here. I will return when he has gone. He irritates me.
Your brother.
Oyibo, go home, Obichuku. We are discussing, as you can see.
That's all right. That's okay. As it is now, have you found a woman?
Yes, I have spoken to her and she'll be here very soon. I'm working towards that.
That's very good. You have to do it fast. Makadia mama.
It's okay, Chia. I'll be on my way. I'll send my guys to come pick up the item.
That's all right. That's all right.
Thank you.
Go wait, son.
Obichuku, Izuna, both of you will continue to live like cat and rat. Your lives will never know peace. Yes, that is my decree for you. You will continue to fight each other. Yes, you will continue. They will continue to fight each other. Cat and rat. No peace, no rest. No peace, no rest. Stay. Here. This is your place. This is your place. This is my world. No rest, no peace. Obichuku.
Chimo obonyeka mlejoro. Chimo obonyeka mlegidere.
My beloved husband, where are you? Peace is running away from your palace. Kinship is tearing your souls apart. I am heartbroken. I'm so restless and confused. Where are you? cooked perfectly well. I think I'll need one again. And this one, look at it.
Martha.
Son, you're back.
Yeah, I am.
Welcome. See, son, you have to have a look at this. I think you'll need one. It's nice.
Come on. You know I'm not really a fan of beads. I'm cool with my chains.
I'll show you something very important. Look at how you're talking about.
I must admit they're so cool, but you should know yourself right now. The hand of time now thrusts the hand of destiny, and joy is about to elude us. If these things I see are real, then doom is near. My beloved brother is now my worst enemy. How do I restore peace and love again? The world is silent, waiting for the anarchy.
There is only one way to defeat the wrong hands of anarchy. Yes. But first, you have to defeat all that conquers and works against your destiny.
Who are you? The big girl?
I am your supreme subject, Your Majesty. I am sorry. Good morning.
Wait. What is your name?
My name is Adora.
And where did you get such wisdom from?
Wisdom comes from the Supreme God. But it takes only the human heart to nurture it.
Interesting. So do you mind if we sit somewhere and talk to lend me some of your wisdom?
I'll be by the riverside tomorrow evening. Excuse me.
So why did you choose here?
Serenity. So I can feel the heart of the earth.
Tell me more about yourself.
I'm an orphan. I have no sibling.
Sorry about that.
Thank you.
So what do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach at the community high school.
Thought as much. Because you speak really well.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks. I was actually in the convent when my parents died. I had to do menial jobs to send myself to school and take care of myself.
It's quite impressive. At least the dream of going to school didn't die.
I haven't seen you in this village.
Yes, I'm not actually, based here. I came back from the States not quite long.
Okay. So, what was bothering you the other day?
I'm getting over it slowly.
No, you are not. I can see it in your eyes. I feel it in your voice. The pain, sorrow, disappointment, and inward agony.
My brother, my beloved brother has changed completely. He has turned to a different person.
I'm really sorry about that. So whatever you do, apply wisdom.
Beautiful and also full of wisdom.
As beautiful as your heart. You have a beautiful heart. I really don't know too much, but I think I like it. I'm happy you're smiling now. I think I'll go back here. I have extramural classes to attend.
Thank you very much. I must confess you've really brightened my day. I feel much better.
Thank you.
Adora. Do you feel the same way I'm feeling?
I'll see you later. Just be good.
Look at my beautiful mother glowing. You know you're glowing, yeah?
Oh. Mom, where have you been? You didn't go out with your car.
Well, I mustn't always be going out with cars. Today I decided to take a walk. And I believe I won't go to jail for that, yeah? I won't go to jail for that.
You look so excited.
You can say that again, Mom. You can say that again. I look so excited. Well, I am not going to tell you till it matures. Then I might think of letting you know.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Who is she?
Come on, Mom. Must you know everything? Okay. Fine. I'm going to tell you. Her name is Adora. Melanin popping Adora.
Adora.
Yes.
Did you say Adora?
Of course, Mom, Adora.
Is she Adora the beat?
Exactly.
Oh, thank God. She's a wonderful girl.
Wow.
Wonderful woman.
You can say that again.
Have you told her anything?
Well, for now, I haven't told her anything because I'm still trying to take my time. But so far, so good. I think she's the right woman for me. She kind of looks
reserved.
Just look at how you shaped your mouth while talking about that. I like that. Why not invite her over? Let's just get to know each other better. What do you say to that?
That's a good point.
Mm-hmm.
I'll do just that. I'll invite her over to see my queen mother.
The way I'm saying things now is like anything I say now will just be a yes for me. Because you are very old.
Well, let's leave it for now.
It's okay. You can shape your mouth anyway. It's okay. That's my son.
All right.
That's good.
I wonder.
Why is my prince sad?
I just wish the gods can see through my eyes, through my heart, and talk to me in the language I will understand.
Izuna, the god speaks in different ways. From the creeping of the birds to the whizzing of the trees, he can speak to us.
Am I in love with Tessia?
Are you in love with Tessia? Izuna, are you in love with me? I am glad I made you laugh.
My mom wants you over for a lunch.
You told your mom about me?
Yeah. I told mom about us rather. I hope you won't turn down the request. Don't say no.
This life is beautiful. When I remember my papa legacy, I'm home. I'm home. It's good to be home. This life is beautiful. When I remember my father's legacy now, I'm home.
You sent for me?
Yes, sit. Izuna, have I wronged you in any way before?
No.
I have always protected your interest as my blood.
That is true, my brother.
Why then do you want to ridicule me?
Come on, Obichuko, why are you sounding like this? It is not my fault that the gods chose me. I'm equally surprised.
But you could do something.
What do you expect me to do? What am I supposed to do?
Izuna, if you love and respect me as your blood, you need to save me from this shame. Are you enjoying the fact that this is tearing us apart? One, I know deep down you are not enjoying it. Odogubulu nwanne abrodo. Odogubulu nwanne abrodo.
Why the fighting, the strife, and hatred? Oh, where is the love? Why the fighting, the hatred and strife? Where is the love?
When a chick that wakes up before the mother hen, then a giant ant has poked his anus. What brings you to my abode? You look like a palm wine tapper that has broken his calabash.
Eye of the gods. I have thought about the implications of being a king. The implications to my family. As far as I'm concerned, it will be a total mayhem. So I have decided to cut short anything that will cause the peace and unity of my beloved brother.
So, what exactly are you saying?
I do not want to be the king of Aloma. I am not interested. I will bring back the Orphan to your shrine tomorrow. Have a nice day.
Ignorance had ruled a lot of young men, but they do not know. The three under the Iroko suffers nothing.
It is not true. Tell me what Akata told me is not true.
Ichebekwe. Yes. You see, I have thought about this whole thing deeply.
Okay.
And I have made up my mind. If my brother can't be crowned the king, then I am not interested in the crown.
Izuna! You want to spit on our faces? Are you going to make your father, your late father, gnash his teeth in the grave?
Chebekwe. There's no need talking too much. I've made up my mind. Excuse me.
Hello, Melo.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Mother, I just said I don't want to continue with the coronation. I don't want to tear this beautiful family apart just because of being a king.
What are you talking about? You cannot ridicule the name of this family. Do you understand that? Did you get me?
There is no need shouting. Akata knows already.
What?
I told him.
Oh.
Greetings, my queen. Greetings, my prince. My prince, Akata demands your presence outside.
All right, tell him I will join him soon.
Why the fighting, the strife and hatred? Oh, where is the love? Why the fighting, the hatred and strife? Where is the love?
From 7 generations, this family has produced 7 great kings to the people of Aloma. But what do I see? A lily-livered weakling running away from his inheritance.
I am not a weakling. I just can't stand the peace of this family dwindling.
If before the rising of the sun tomorrow, you do not come to reaffirm your interest on the throne, the dynasty will vanish like the chaff in the wind, and death shall befall this family. Another man from another family, possibly in non-royal blood, will be crowned the king of Aloma Kingdom. I take my leave. Awara Kaduna yo, Awara Kaduna yo.
Why the fighting for head right and strong? A family that is lovely, bonded in love. Our family that's in harmony is tearing
acted like a child.
Go home and get a wife. Then come for the coronation. Let your mind be guided.
Okay. Thank you very much. Our late father will not be happy if we let another man take what is rightfully ours. And above all, I don't want death to befall this family.
Let's love, rain now on this. Let's love, rain now on this. For who the girl fits, we show where the gap.
I'm so happy you're here.
Thank you, Ma.
He has told me quite a lot about you. You're welcome. You are beautiful. Ever since my son met you, he always come home excited. Always very happy.
Come on, Mom. I'm always very happy.
Oh, please. I want to beg you of one thing. Take good care of my son. Okay? When I look at you, I can imagine how my grandchildren will look like.
Oh, Mom, come on. Yeah, it's alright.
My queen, the lunch is ready.
Oh, okay. Thank you, my dear. In fact, you're welcome into this family.
Thank you, Ma.
Let's go and eat. They say lunch is ready.
Let's go. Go first.
Come
Go
on.
first.
Okay, I'm up.
All right, let's go. Hey, this is good.
Life is sweet.
That's physically how we have a signal. You see, first of all, I'm not happy with you. Things you do to me is practically uncalled for. You've messed me up mentally and emotionally. You scared? Adora. You see, I have
thought about this whole thing. I have come to conclusion that you are the right one for me. I want you to be the mother of my kids. I want you to be that woman I call mine. Please. Please. Marry me. Thank you. Thank you for being my queen. Thank you. Izuna is getting married soon. And that means he has won the battle. The young lady even insulted me in her own heart.
You have come to the man of truth, and I will not let it be put to shame.
Oh no, you don't understand. They have taken what rightfully belongs to me. I can't believe this is happening. Is it because my mom is dead?
My son, Obichukwu, let me tell you one thing you do not know. As far as the ancient royal bracelet was worn on your wrist the day you were born, I will not live to see another man wear that crown. You can hold me to my words.
Thank you very much, Onogo. You are the only one I trust. Please, always watch my back.
I will always watch your back. But go home. From now on, be as smart as the snake. If I watch your back, who then will watch mine?
Sorry to bother you, Bichuko. I would love to have a word with you if you don't mind, please.
Yeah, that's the one I want.
Sorry, what did you say? I said I would love to have a word with you, and I won't take much of your time, please. Okay, you see, I'm planning to go see my prospective in-laws this week. We've been in this relationship for some time now, so I feel it's the right time to push further. So I will...
So what? It's none of my business. When you were making the arrangement, did you tell me? So why are you trying to involve me all of a sudden?
Oh, Bichuku, come on. I'm your brother. What is your business is also my business. Besides, I wanted to be certain she's the right one for me.
Oh, honey. This is it. This is just the perfect one. See, because don't you like it?
This is beautiful too.
I know you've got eyes for good things. Okay, so 3 down. How many do we have left?
I have 3 more to go.
So we're taking 6. You're just a doll.
Obichuku, I believe you heard me clearly.
Honey, you did not see this one. We should add this to the card. Do you love? You like it?
It's okay.
Oh.
Wow, this is it. I love this.
Yes. Okay, so we have one.
I am not in the mood.
He's your brother. You have to follow him to his in-laws place, just like he followed you to your own in-laws place. Gidi gidi, ugweze, you know?
Mazibe.
Yes.
Mazibe.
Yes.
Mazibe.
Yes.
How many times did I call you?
3 times.
I will only sit down on one condition. Oyibo should not talk. Oyibo should not say thing. Okay.
Izuna, sit down.
Thank you.
Good. You are welcome. Yes. I welcome the two of you. We are here to find a peaceful ground for the two of you brothers. Because if you continue like this, people will laugh at you.
First and foremost, I don't care about people. Yes. Secondly, I am aware that Oyibo here bribed you and Ezemo. That was why you people stood by him and said he is the first son. You think I don't know?
Obishuku is too wise to talk like this.
No, you are too old to sound like this. At your age, you can't call a spade a spade. Why then are we having this conversation? Excuse me. Oyibo, Eba Amambai.
No matter what happens, do not lose your temper. Whether it is the egg that falls on the stone or the stone falls on the egg, certainly it is the egg that will crack.
I am a very patient person, but very calculating.
Just like your late father.
Thank you. And when two people are talking, no one is actually talking.
That's correct.
Shall be on my way.
Well. What you should be concerned about now is your coronation proper. How you get prepared for your coronation. That should be your concern.
Yes, I'm working on that already.
Good.
All I know is that the crown is mine.
Thank you much for standing.
It's my pleasure.
So hopefully stop by the palace.
Are you too?
Obichuku, Izuna, your lives will be a life of concurrent fracas. You will never know peace. You will never like each other. You will fight. You will quarrel. Together. You will never know peace. Concurrent fracas. That is my decree for both of you.
So what do you want me to do?
You will have to come to the palace and talk to your nephew. He's making the palace so unbearable for me. Simply because he was told that my son was born few hours before him. Please, you have to come and do something about that.
So, because he is making the palace unbearable, you now remember this street and the number of this house, isn't it? Since that boy was born, we haven't set our eyes on him. Is that fair? Now you want me to come and talk to him because he is making the palace very hot, very uncomfortable for you people. Sorry, I will do not such thing. Yes. Go home. I am going to the church.
What happened?
My prince, she was dragging her car key with Obichuku and she now fell down and hit her head on the floor.
What? Oh, God. Mom. Get the driver. Get the driver.
Yes, my prince.
Mom, don't do this, please. Mom. Get the driver. Be fast. Mom, come on, look at me. Mom.
Doctor,
how is she?
From our scan, actually, she had a severe crack in the brain.
Jesus Christ.
She needs to undergo a surgery.
Jesus, doctor, please, you have to do everything possible to save my mother, please.
No, this is a government hospital, so you need to consult the finance department.
Money? Come on, doctor, money is not the problem. You just start with the surgery. I'll go get the money now, please. Okay, I'm coming now, eh? Let me quickly go and do the transfer, eh? I'm coming now, eh? Thank you.
My daughter, are you sure they are still coming?
Yes. I don't know what's keeping them. I don't know. They will come.
We are only waiting for them because they are from a royal family.
Mama, they will come. Just wait a little bit.
My daughter, time is going. Time is going.
What could be keeping Izuna till now? Izuna, what is keeping you?
Obichuku caused my mother to have multiple surgeries. And And I keep asking myself if I chose myself.
Has he gone mad?
Obichukwu has gone totally mad. He has lost it. He has lost it completely. Am I the one that chose myself?
No, you did not choose yourself. The gods chose you. So don't worry about Obichukwu's rants.
I am worrying, Uncle. I am worrying. My mother is lying helplessly in the hospital. My in-laws are there waiting for me.
Like I said, as far as the gods are behind you, I am behind you.
Thank you. But that's not the problem. I mean, if it continues like this, I will lose it. I'll lose it completely.
You are free to come to me to ask any question that you feel like asking me. You're always welcome.
Thank you.
I hope you are not in a hurry in preparation for your coronation. If you need any help, I can give it.
I'll get you the list to have a review and know what I'm supposed to get and what I'm not supposed to get.
All right. One more thing. From now on, you have to be very careful. You have to learn to live and possibly sleep with one eye open.
All right. That's noted. I really have to run along. My in-laws are waiting for me. Thanks.
Whether the chick is squatting or standing, it cannot stop the kite from taking it.
My prince, my prince.
Stop there. What are you doing here?
Good morning, my prince.
That doesn't answer my question.
I came to see Prince Suzuma.
Does this palace look like where prostitutes come hunting for men?
My prince, it's me, Adora. You know, the last time I came, I actually came with Prince and
Get out.
My prince, you know,
I hate repeating myself. Out.
My prince,
I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting. Something came up, please. Huh? Please, let's go inside.
No, your brother asked me to leave.
My brother?
Yes.
Asked you to leave? Why?
I don't know. Izu, I beg of you. I don't like war in my life. I am for peace. Besides, my uncles are waiting for me.
Hey, my love, please. Have mercy on me. Look at me. I'm stressed already. Mom wasn't feeling fine. I had to take her to the hospital. I've been running around. Please.
How is she now?
She's better. Let's go inside. I will explain, okay? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Stop talking about my brother. Let's go inside.
Mamba,
fiancée to go?
Because she's a prostitute.
Obichuku, have you lost your mind? Why in God's name would you tell my fiancée to leave this house? Are you mad?
Oyibo, if I punch you, Oyibo, if I punch you, you will change color. She's a prostitute and she's not stepping into this house, and that's fine.
And she will step into this house because she's my visitor.
Izuna.
Shut up! Do not say anything. I need to talk to this madman. She will enter this house and that's fine now.
Kainene, give it a try.
Adora, get into this house. No, you want to try.
If I punch you, you will change color.
Adora. Obichuku.
Anabala Gumba. Coming back to the face, please.
Adora.
A family that is lovely, bonded in love. Our family that's in harmony is tearing apart.
Adora.
Adora, please.
Just let me go, please. I'm begging you, let me go.
Adora, I can't let you go. Please.
Izuna, now you see the reason I didn't want to come to you at first. What is all this?
Adora, this is the point where I need you most. You can't leave me now.
Izuna, you need to let me go. I'm not used to this. I am for peace. And this is what you don't have in your family. Can't you see?
Come on, Adora. Please. I promise you everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Please stand by me.
You have to let me go.
Adora. Obichuku, have you seen what you've caused? Have you seen what you've caused? I will never forgive you if I lose my marriage in this life. And that's the point I will lose it completely. That's the point I will go mad.
Oyibo, Askan Gomge. 1, Aforom Dimba. 2, Anoromisi Ego. So stop making noise. Your girl is a prostitute and she will not step in her feet into this palace. And that's final.
I'm making noise. I am making noise, Obichuku. You are a big fool, heartless and inconsiderate. First of all, the woman that trained you to this point is lying helplessly in the hospital and you're not touched. You're not bothered. Because you think you're mad.
Where is the
I won't fight you. Let the hand of destiny tell.
Isn't she sexy?
Let's love, ready now we let's love, ready now we
Ada, where have you been? What kind of nonsense is this? You know I have a church meeting to attend to, and now I'm still here. In 5 minutes' time, if they are not here, I will leave. Of course, we can no longer wait for them anymore. Nonsense.
They're coming, they're coming. They're coming.
Ibe kwe. Ibe.
Hey, madam. How are you? Yeah. Good day, my friend. I'm sorry to have kept you people waiting. Yes. Something bigger than the cricket crept into its abode. Yes. Izuna is on his way to the
Okay. Yes. It's all right. Now that you are here, I know all is well. Let
me have a word with her. Yes.
Good day, my friend.
A family that is lovely, bonded in love. Our family that's in harmony is tearing apart.
If you wish to, this problem going on between our husbands, I think we should look for a way to mend it before it blows out of proportion.
Okay, you listen to me. If there is anybody to be talked to, it is your husband. He betrayed his own brother because of kingship.
Sonia, I asked questions.
Young lady, this whole thing started even before you came into this palace. So do not dip your feet into a river you do not know its depth. I am done talking about this. And don't stop me next time to ask me silly questions, co-wife.
I was just trying to excuse me.
Wow, this is really nice. Oh, my love.
My lord.
How are you?
I'm okay.
I'm sit here.
I just did this.
Yes, because I just want to make sure I get the best. Check out this.
You have to eat right now, so let's go.
I know, but I just wanted to take a look.
You need to eat before the food gets cold.
Hey, come on, that's rude. Just take a look. I'm trying to get the best for us.
I know, I am sorry, but we need to go. Let's go.
Alright. Time to have a dinner. Let's go.
You know I love you.
Okay.
It's okay, it's fine. Thank you. Is the water ready?
No, my friend.
Why? Whatever, when it's ready, just pour it in the flask.
Okay, my friend. Awesome. Thank you.
I thought I asked you to prepare my lunch.
Yes, my queen. I'm waiting for Uju to finish cooking for boiling water for Queen Adora, so I can start boiling the rice.
You little peacock, are you stupid? I asked you to prepare my lunch and you're standing here telling me that you're waiting for who? To finish boiling water for some idiot? What impetus? And you? Put that water down.
Queen Adora asked me to boil the water. Mine is almost done.
I said put that water down. Are you stupid or something? Put it down. Oh. You won't put it down. Huh? You won't. I said put it down. Are you stupid? Put that water down. And you, get the pot, put it on the fire. If you don't feel that, let me to my toast. And make sure you add the peppers first. And how long is it going to take you to wash this plate?
My queen.
What is it?
Queen Sonia moved the water for her rice.
Was it ready?
No, my queen.
Why would she do it like that? Why would she do that? Come, let's go.
Why did you ask her to put the water down? You knew I sent her. Why will you do that?
And who are you? The homely, illiterate, dirty village girl?
Oh, please do not ever use such words at me. Never.
And what would you do if I use such words on you? What would you do, you dirty village thing? What would you do?
Uju, take that thing off.
Is that all you can do? Is that all? I thought you were here to beat me up. I thought you were here to fight me. Huh?
No. You know why?
Why?
Because I am raised by a responsible mother.
And what is that supposed to mean?
You can figure that out, can't you? Excuse me.
Adora! Adora, I am talking to you. Adora, I am talking to you. Did you actually insult my mother? I am talking to you. Answer me. Did you insult my mother? Oh, so you were raised by a responsible mother and I was not. Meaning my mother did not raise me properly. Is that it? You're trying to play calm. Listen to me. You little low-life, frustrated, poverty-stricken illiterates. Don't you ever in your life do that again. Oh, she's working out on me. I am talking to you. No, mother. No. Before I say anything, She has to apologize for insulting my mother. I mean, a girl of her class cannot insult my mother and get away with it.
Sonia, this your attitude is getting out of hand and is becoming unbearable in this house.
Mother, are you saying it is right for her to insult my own mother?
Mother, I did not insult her mother. She called me a village girl.
It is a lie!
It's a lie! Will you shut up? We both of you shut up! Have you lost your senses?
I'm sorry, Mother.
You. Now get out!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Do you know who locked the kitchen?
I have no idea, Ma.
And you don't know where the keys are?
No.
Who would have locked the kitchen? This is strange. Who did?
I did. And you, peacock, out.
Sorry, Ma.
Sonia, please, I need the keys to the kitchen. I need to cook for my husband.
Well, that will be when I'm done cooking for my own husband.
Sonia, I need to cook for my husband. Besides, when did you start cooking?
Excuse me the hell out of you. You village little girl. How is that supposed to be any business of yours?
Please, Sonia, I don't need your drama today. Can I have the keys, please?
Well, since you think you are so strong and stubborn to stand me, this is the key. Come have it.
Sonia, can I have the key, please? Sonia. Sonia.
Adora!
Sonia. Stupid thing. Now, this is what a village girl can do. Try me again.
You won't believe what this village rat did. I was with the key to the kitchen, and when I walked into the sitting room, she was asking the maid for the key. I quietly sat down and I explained to her, with all respect, I needed to prepare your meal before I give her the key. I was just on my own. And then she made an attempt to fight me. In the process of collecting the key forcefully, she broke my hand. That's a lie!
Quiet! You don't talk when you are not asked to. It's alright. It's alright now. Are you on drugs? In a safe? How dare you? My wife! Quiet!
Said you should give him the key.
What happened was because...
The key!
My friends.
Don't you ever raise your hand on my wife. Are you mad? Have you lost it?
So if I wasn't here, you would have slapped my wife. Eh? Has smoke affected your brain?
Huh?
The key. Which key is he talking about? Do you have any key?
Actually,
What happened? Just calm down and talk to me. What happened?
Sonia locked the kitchen.
Okay.
I wanted to prepare.
The key!
Just take a look at what she did to me. Look at what she did to me. She will rot in jail. I will tell my father she will rot in jail. Ay. Oh. Darling, you're not saying anything.
Zuna and his wife has beaten more than they can chew.
Yes. Look at Izuna. Small Izuna. He had the guts, the effort, the impetus to shout at you. Small Izuna. I know what to do. Aye. Aye.
It's a shameful thing for a man to show his pubic hair in public in the name of dancing in the rain.
Oga, straight to the point.
Your mother is from Umuekere town. I would rather advise you go back to your mother's people and ask a few questions.
But that's not why I'm here.
My son, you want me to prepare a charm to fight the chosen king. You are at the wrong place. And I advise you leave the wrong place and go to the right place. And that is your mother's place, my son. Your mother's place.
What did he say?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? Did he give you any charm?
No.
Why?
Come on, it's not necessary. I've got more important things to do.
I don't get this at all. You mean we drove all the way from the house to this place just to go back empty-handed?
I will appreciate it if you shut up. Tell me what I need to know. I need to know how I was born.
It's a wise step. I knew a day like this would come. Your mother sent me to Aloma Hospital to see your stepmother how she was doing. And when I got there...
Queen Mother! How are you? I'm fine, congratulations. May the gods be praised. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? That is go and clean the baby up. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And how about Norma? Norma is fine. In fact, she's the one that asked me to come and see you. Wow. Yes. So you go and give her the good news. Okay, I will. Alright, let me just go straight to her and tell her everything. She'll be so excited. Just go and tell her. Go and give her the good news.
So how is she? She just gave birth to a bouncing baby boy. Oh, thank God. I'm so happy for her. She poor kid.
Somebody needs to go to the palace immediately. Huh?
Hey! Doctor, how now? How?
You need to calm down. But the baby is fine. She delivered of a bouncing baby boy.
Did you check her well? Doctor, did you check her well? How do you mean she's not? Doctor, did you check her well? Doctor, are you sure? Doctor, please check her. Doctor, please.
Hey, doctor.
That was what happened. You were not the firstborn. Your stepbrother was the firstborn, not you.
Let's love, raining our miss. Let's love, raining our miss. Pick up, fix up, we show, we have the cup. Ajamadu ige chikwisigi weburu ifine cheremo. Ajamadu ige chikwisigi weburu ifine cheremo. Chuma You a wicked man. Give a monkey where they go market every day. One day you go, you not go return.
So I have been fighting a foolish battle all this while. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, you knew about this and allowed me fool myself.
Yes. Obichuku and Izuna, your life should be like that of the cat and the rat. You will never know peace until I decide to release you, or I get tired and I drop you. Yes, that's what I said. That is my decree for two of you.
Oh no. Oh no.
It is just
oh no, for Bogide. Oh no, so it's been you all this while.
I hate everyone.
Oh no, so you've been the one manipulating my brother. Oh no, let us.
I will help you get the throne. In fact, I will hand it over to you. It is just my oh, hey, 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 hey,
Oh no! 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 So send you! Oh no! Oh no! You! Oh no! Oh no! You! Oh no! Oh no! I'll kill you today! Oh no! I'll kill you today! And Ayoka, you people should ask Onowu what he was doing with this before I sneaked up on him. You men are evil, but guess what? I was born prepared for people like you. But why gone?
What is he talking about?
I don't understand anything here. It's okay. Now you may. Yes. Good thing I saw you people. Good. Listen, you won't believe me. We have to go back to Onowu's house now. Onowu must tell everybody what he was doing with this before I got him.
What are you talking about?
Now you won't believe this. Onowu has been the one manipulating. I got him red-handed. Red-handed. Onowu of all people. I caught him red-handed. With this, calling our names, doing. Oh.
Let us go and hear from you.
You don't believe me?
The best thing we should do. Let's go. Let's go.
Look at him. Evil. Evil. But guess what? I was born prepared for people like you. Evil. I'm not fair. Evil. Now you may. Ibekwe. Ayoka. You people should tell Onowu to confess. Else, I will kill him here. Hey!
What is he talking about?
I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Onowu. I'm losing it. Please,
I think you could just
take
it.
Huh?
It hasn't gotten to that.
Yes, it has. Shrine is not the solution. What do we do? You are talking about shrine. What will we do there?
Simple.
You people should ask this evil man what he was doing with.
I want you people to forgive me. I'm behind everything that happened in the palace. I gave the ancient royal bracelet to no man's son.
Hello, Melo.
So I could cause a disorder when they are of age. Hey, please forgive me.
When we say the gods are not asleep, it is not a mere utterance. You do not need to confess here. You will not go unpunished.
Ezemo, I don't have such time. The gods should punish him here, else I will punish him myself. Obuna the gods are here. Njilaka mpewayazu. You.
Obichuku. Don't. Leave him. He is before the gods.
When I remember my papa legacy, I'm home. It's good to be home. This life is beautiful.
Yeah, who's that? Your Highness, it's me, Uche. Yeah, Uche, what is it? Come in.
So what do you want?
Your Highness, your brother, Obichuku, asked me to call you. Okay, tell him I'm coming.
Honey, what does he want from you? Why does he want to see you? What for?
I don't know, my love. Let me go see him, okay?
No, you're not going anywhere. I won't let him kill you for me.
My love, let me quickly see him.
No, I won't let him kill you for me. You're not going anywhere.
My love, no one is killing anybody. He might have AK-47, but I promise he's not going to pull the trigger on his only brother. Let me quickly. Yahoo? Your Highness, it's me, Uche. Uche, I said I'm coming. Uche Bego is also here to see you. Oh, okay. Alright, tell him I'm coming right away. What's going on? Honey, Uche Bego is here, meaning I've got to come to the school. I'm coming.
Your Majesty, the tongue and the teeth can always quarrel, but they cannot be separated. Please, I want you to listen to what your brother has to say.
Your Highness. Please, Ono has been the one manipulating us with charms. What? Yes. I caught him red-handed with these images representing us. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Your Majesty, you have to forgive your brother. All that happened in the past were not ordinary. Ono confessed to his atrocities at the shrine.
Your Majesty, that is true. To err is human, but to forgive is divine. Please, make peace, dear brother.
When there is peace and joy, it's bring togetherness. And you can never want and you can never Obani Meruwa, and you put on a bodega, and you can never want and you can never Obani Meruwa, and you put on a bodega, and you can never want and you can never
Go inside! Go inside! Go inside! Go inside!
I am so ashamed of myself. I wish I can disappear.
It's okay.
That is lovely, bonded in love. Our family that's in harmony is tearing apart.
Where is he? Don't shoot, he's already gone. He's gone. He's gone. Yes. Just know you chose the best way to die. If not, I could have blasted your brain on this wall. Evil man. And this will sound as a warning to all evil men in this society. Because I will come for you one after the other.
Izu, please. I'm not part of the conspiracy, please.
Just now I'm watching you. I'm watching you.
Please. Yes.
Foolish man.
Sorry.
Die well.
I am so ashamed of myself. Please. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. It's not my fault. Oh no, who hypnotized me. From the deepest part of my heart, I am sorry for all the wrong I did. Please. You people should forgive me. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry.
I don't know if I will be forgiven too. Mother. Suna. Adora. Please. I want you all to find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm very sorry. I was carelessly stupid. I'm sorry.
Mother, the only way to have peace of mind is forgiveness. You've always preached love, peace, and harmony. No matter what, Obichukwu is still your son. Please,
Forgive him.
Please, Mom.
Get up. Get up. Yes, mommy. I am happy that you're back. Zuna. You're with your wife. I'm happy we are all back together.
Why the fighting, the strife, and hate right? Oh, where is the love? Why the fighting, the hate right and strife? Where is the let's love, raining our miss. Let's love, raining our miss. For who the gap fits. We show where the gap never above. When never above, as you want to let's love, rainy.